Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok blocked creators. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok blocked creators, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app and free, we click on the first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find here an uninstall app. You can click on it and you can wait a moment to install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.